Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Cass. Today we are doing an unboxing of my first transparent lace front wig. I'm so excited about this. Before we get started, kick-a-loo. Don't jump up here looking all cute and fluffy. Oh, she's so cute. Look at my babies. Say hey, Keeks. Say hey, girl. Oh, that's enough. If this is your first time here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, go ahead and tap the bell, give me a comment, and give me a thumbs up if you're returning. Thanks so much for coming back this week. So yes, like I said, we're going to be doing an unboxing. I want to make this quick because I also want to show you the hair dyeing process and like the customization of this wig. This is supposed to be my birthday wig. But as you know, birthdays are pretty much canceled as of now. My birthday's April 4th and we're not gonna talk about it. Moving forward. So if you guys watched my most recent wig video, then you would know that I had a kind of a dilemma trying to find my birthday wig. Like, I wanted a very specific lace front, 180% density, body wave, 18-inch transparent lace wig. I think I said everything that I wanted and everybody was sold out, so I was just like, oh my goodness. But finally I went to unicehair.com and they had it in stock. I'm so excited. I mean, it took me, I just thought, you know, wow, my birthday's canceled, now my wig's gonna be canceled too. Like, I can't serve the looks that I want to serve. That's honestly criminal at this point. So this is the packaging, guys. It's just this little box. It's great for shipping, and it just stores everything that you need. This is from their Bet You series. Like, the wig is from their Bet You series, so I'm super excited about it. And then there's just some instructions on how to take care of the wig on the back, but we don't need all that. Any hoozles. So when you open her up, I'm so excited. So we have the adjustable band, which I'm super stoked about. Glad they included this. Then there's a black wig cap, which I probably will not use because I don't use black wig caps. Like, how does that work for people? Do you guys use black wig caps? Let me know. Do they work better than like the ones that match your scalp? You know, let me know. So this is the wig, guys. It's just in this little plastic bag. I'm going to take her out. Let's see what she's looking like. Okay. Ooh, y'all, the transparent lace. I'm so excited. Okay. So it just has the hairnet over it. We're going to let that go. Ooh, there's a lot of static. Look how the net is stuck on me. Okay, girl. Get off. Dang. It just has this little paper to keep the form. Y'all, this is what I wanted. The 13x6, so I could really give y'all a part of my dreams. Look at this. The knots are dark, guys, so I am going to bleach that anyways. It comes with some baby hairs. It has the 2 combs at the side, and then it has one at the back, as well as the adjustable band in the back, so that way you can adjust it. I'm going to try it on for you guys. Since my braids are in, it's a lot easier for me to just do this, so we're gonna try it on. Wow, the wig already fits so well and I haven't even adjusted it. Oh, I can't wait. Should I zoom in? Hold on, let me just look in the mirror. Oh, I'm so excited. Alrighty, guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. Wow, you know, they did a pre-plucked. I feel like I just need to go behind this and pluck a little bit because the front, like this part looks fine. It just looks super thick directly behind it. The hair is so soft, guys, like so soft. I am gonna tint my lace, but honestly, it doesn't even look like I need to. Like, the transparent lace is really showing up, y'all. I'm so excited. It's a little long, so I am gonna have to cut right here because, as you can see, like, if I was to tuck my ear under it, it's a little bit long. So, but not by much at all. So I'm gonna have to cut that little piece. So we're gonna do all of this together, guys. We're gonna make this shake. Wow, I'm so excited. And the wig fits very snug, and I haven't even adjusted. So imagine if I tighten the actual adjustable straps in the back. I'm excited.